One.
One. Now, what were you going to ask Chelsea when we got here?
This is the elevator at Coyar, Winthrop University in Rock Hill.
Mm-hmm.
Michael, does Chelsea want to ride? Ask her.
Do you want to ride?
I would love to ride.
We have to ride one.
That's Ferris Bueller.
4.
Mm-hmm.
It's a ThyssenKrupp elevator.
Well,
Phone.
and he checks. What type of elevator?
ThyssenKrupp.
ThyssenKrupp. That's right. This kid's so smart because he can tell what type of elevator it is just from the inside. How many floors, Michael?
4.
4.
Let's ring the bell.
All right.
Oh, the bell works.
Bell works.
1. There's no bumpers. Just a basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. There are fixtures, impulse fixtures.
There's a part of me that thinks he knows what these words are, but he watches so many elevator videos. I don't know if he's just repeating them or he actually knows this stuff.
Here are 1. Oh, here you go.
Thank you.
And have a great day.
You do the same.
It's a lot of clothes. There it goes. And that's it.